In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new notebook in OneNote. If you find this video useful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it.
First, open up your web browser and navigate to the OneNote app. You can use whichever web browser you prefer, but make sure it's up to date to avoid any unnecessary issues. Once you're on the OneNote homepage, take a moment to sign in using your Microsoft account. If you don't have an account yet, follow the prompts to create one. It's free and offers a range of useful features beyond OneNote. After logging in, you'll find yourself on the OneNote dashboard where you can see your existing notebooks neatly arranged. Now look towards the top left of the screen where you'll find a button labeled New. Clicking this button is your first step in creating a brand new notebook. You might notice other options nearby, but for now, our focus is creating a new space for your notes. Now that you've clicked on New, it's time to give your notebook a name. Choosing a name that is descriptive and relevant to the content you plan to include can make it easier to locate later on. Consider using a naming convention that aligns with your current notebooks or projects. For instance, you might name it Project Planning 2023 if it's for an upcoming work project, or Biology Notes for a school course. This helps keep your notebooks organized and easy to find. Once you've typed in your desired notebook name, the next step is as simple as clicking Create Notebook. With just this click, OneNote gets to work setting up your new digital notebook. You'll see the new notebook appear in your list almost immediately. If you want, take a moment here to familiarize yourself with the interface. OneNote offers a wide range of tools to customize your notes, whether it be through color coding or inserting multimedia elements. Creating a notebook in OneNote is designed to be quick and intuitive, and it really does take just a few moments. Now you're all set to start jotting down notes, brainstorming ideas, or collecting research. Remember, you can create as many notebooks as you need, so don't hesitate to start new ones for different subjects or interests. Thanks for joining me in this walkthrough on how to create a new notebook in OneNote. With these easy steps, you're now equipped to keep your digital space organized and efficient. Happy note taking, and be sure to subscribe for more helpful tech tutorials.